Hello friends, welcome back to DigiTech Dynamo. In today's video we are going to build a smart plant monitoring system using NodeMCU ESP8266. This project uses a soil moisture sensor, OLED display, and IoT cloud platform Adafruit IO to monitor soil moisture in real time. This system helps you monitor your plant's soil condition from anywhere using the internet. Components required. For this project, we need the following components: NodeMCU ESP8266, Soil Moisture Sensor, FC-28, SSD 1306 OLED display, breadboard, jumper wires, Wi-Fi connection circuit connection. The soil moisture sensor is connected to the A0 analog pin of NodeMCU. The OLED display is connected using I2C communication, SDA to D2 SCL to D1. NodeMCU reads the soil moisture value and converts it into percentage. Working principle: when the soil is dry, the sensor gives a higher analog value. When the soil is wet, the value becomes lower. NodeMCU converts this value into moisture percentage and displays it on the OLED screen. At the same time, the data is sent to Adafruit IO cloud dashboard using Wi-Fi, so you can monitor your plant's moisture level from your mobile or computer. Result: now, when we place the sensor in the soil, the OLED display shows the soil moisture percentage. At the same time, the value is updated on the Adafruit IO dashboard in real time. This project can be used for smart gardening, automatic irrigation systems, IoT farming projects, plant health monitoring. If you enjoyed this project, please like, share, and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more Arduino, IoT, and electronics projects. Thanks for watching.